Welcome back to some more Super Mario Odyssey. I'm just gonna pick it right where we left off, being on the way to the Sand Kingdom. Because why not? Oh, so this isn't the first time reacting. I've seen this. So next is the Sand Kingdom, and we've seen lots of the Sand Kingdom in demos and all that. So yeah, I'm just gonna be quiet. Onwards! My Joy-Cons are vibrating so much, and I love it. Let's go! Choo choo choo. Chink. So, how do you like me as the captain's hat? Pretty classy, wouldn't you say? Yeah. Now then, where were we? That monster's name is Bowser? Well, we'll chase him down in no time in the Odyssey. Seeing as how we've got some time to kill, let's review some useful skills. Travel tips. Ground pound. Ah, blah blah blah. What? No! Yay. I don't need any tips. It's always there for your personal. Yep. We should discuss the Sand Kingdom too. Ah, blah 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 blah. As you know how pieced together, it is entirely covered in sand. As you can imagine, it gets quite hot. But not here. It's quite cold. There's some runes there and an artifact called the Binding Band that links people forever. Like a wedding ring. And this Bowser seems like just the sort of creep that would steal a priceless antiquity. I don't know, I'm bad with words like that. For his sham wedding. Ooh, we're going. Nice. Choo 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 choo. Look at it. It's huge. Yeah. I've seen this kingdom so many times. Like, I've seen this place so many times. It's like I know the place off the back of my head. Huzzah! I declare the main voyage of the Odyssey a complete success. Mario's so cold. But why is it so cold? I thought desert was supposed to be hot. Huh? The top of the tower is shining. Yes, it is. Look over there in the distance. It's time. I'm gonna explore. Can we get on top of that? Spin jump. Come on, Mario. Come on. Get on top of the ice. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Maybe if I side flip. Okay, whatever. Whatever. Let's go over here. Ah, birdie. Alright, time to get the birdie. Lakitu? Oh no. Come on. Get on the tree. Where is he gone? Hello? Where'd the bird go? Oh, he's leaving! Ah well. Desert Oasis. Oh, that was a moon! What the heck? I kinda guessed it would be a moon because the bird was surrounding it. How do you do the dive stomp? Okay, that's ZR. Alright, let's do this over here. Climb. Alright, here we go. Yeah. Give me that moon. Taking notes. Jump on the palm. Nice. Ice. No, there's regional coins under here. Drake. Can you ice skate? No. I wish you could ice skate. That would be so good. What does it say? Travel tip. Cap jump. Yep. It wants us to jump over the cactus. Oh, lovely. Should I get hit? I'm gonna do it. Ow! Look at me. Look at my poor nose. Oh my god, that's amazing. Oh, look at the Jaxie. I hope I can jump on this one. Come on. Yes, and I fell. Okay. Let's go ahead and do that again. I know this is kind of a boring video. Me just doing random stuff, but no, that's fine. That's what this game is. Oh, he's back. Is he? Where is he? Mr. Bird, I kind of want your power moon. I see a power moon way over there in the distance. See that up there? Upside down triangle. Where is he? I can hear him. I don't know. Let's go up here anyway. Oh, there he is. Hey! Come on. Hurry. Okay, he's probably gonna come around. Here we go. To end the video, I'm gonna get this guy. Yes! I got him! Yo! I was kinda worried I wouldn't get him there.